We just tried out some query string examples. Now here is a word of caution. Query strings are good as long as the query is simple and small, which can be written on one line of terminal. But when we start adding more fields into the search and checks on phrases within those fields, it turns out to be very unfriendly and complex. This is the reason DSL is mostly used, which we will explain in the next lesson. Another issue with query string is that it may lead users to run requests on the command prompts and expose potentially confidential information on their displays. While they can also bring the cluster down if a user mistakenly ran a very heavy query or if there was some typological mistakes. Because for Elasticsearch, if you had put some special character there, it will consider it as a value which you want to search, and it will search that value over all the documents within the index, and it can create a lot of load for the Elasticsearch, leading to the crash of the cluster itself. So use query strings only in development environments and only on the indexes which are smaller in size. Okay. In next lesson, we will talk about DSLs. So I'll see you in the next class.